Welcome to a demonstration of the OH Media Plan Optimization module, a concept tool designed for intelligent media site and plan performance analysis. This module helps media planners analyze, optimize, and compare their out-of-home campaigns in 4 simple steps: configure plan, analyze performance, select replacements, and compare results. Let's begin at step 1, configure plan. First, we select our campaign city. We'll choose Ho Chi Minh City for this demo. Next, we input our current media plan. I'll select a mix of existing sites, including high-impact billboards and unipoles, as well as frequency-driven formats like lightboxes and bus stations. We then define our target audience. For this campaign, we're focusing on reaching travelers and food lovers. Now, we input the original campaign's KPIs. A target of 500,000 in reach, 2 million impressions, and an average frequency of 3.5. Finally, we'll set our budget strategy. We want to see if we can improve performance while keeping the budget the same. With all parameters set, let's analyze the plan's performance. The module instantly provides a detailed analysis. We can see that overall, the campaign has significantly over-delivered on reach and impressions compared to the target. Our frequency is also slightly above the goal. The audience distribution shows we are effectively reaching our target personas, travelers, and food lovers. However, the real power is in the site-level breakdown. The system has evaluated each location individually. Most of our billboards and the unipole are performing well, indicated by the green keep action, but it has flagged one site as underperforming. The bus station at Vong Soi Cong Quin is only achieving 60% of its potential, making it a prime candidate for replacement. Let's view the system's recommendations for a replacement. Based on our KPIs and target audience, the module suggests several alternative sites. Each recommendation shows its projected metrics and the potential performance uplift. This location on Nguyen Hue Walking Street is particularly interesting, as it's projected to increase reach by 39% and has strong affinity with our traveler and food lover personas. We'll select this option. Now, let's see the impact of this change by comparing the optimized plan with our original. Here, in the final step, we get a clear side-by-side comparison. By making just one intelligent replacement, our new plan is projected to increase total reach by 3% and total impressions by 4%, all while maintaining the same budget and site count. These charts visually confirm the improvement. The optimized plan outperforms the original and gets us even further beyond our initial targets. Crucially, the audience coverage has also improved. So, in just a few clicks, we've moved from an initial plan to a data-validated, optimized plan that delivers better results for the same.